Morning, guys. Gonna do a little striper fishing today on the Hudson River. Got with us today Son of a Fish 2.0 over there, very anxious to get his first striper of the season. We're gonna use some herring that we caught. We cut it up, gonna throw it on our rigs, and yeah, we're using like 3-ounce sinkers. Current don't look that bad right here in the river. We're gonna see what we get, guys. Stay tuned, it should be pretty good. What, does your phone bang? Do you have your phone on you? Slam. You just paused it? Slam. There you go. Yeah, dig him up. Ooh, that's a fat one, dude.
Yeah.
All right, over this way.
Oh, my wrist.
Wow, that's a fat one.
Dude, he ripped me down.
Wow, he's big.
Yeah, he is.
Okay. Watch out.
Okay. I didn't bring my phone.
You didn't bring your phone? Well, what the frick dinged? Somebody must have lost a cell phone here?
That's what I'm thinking, because I swear I heard it like right in my...
Me too. Mine ain't on sound. Yeah, I heard it. Nice. I can't even get him in the bag fast enough, dude. Good job, man. Nice. Watch the hooks. Watch the hooks. There you go.
Oh my god, that boat thing is huge.
I heard it again. Feels like one. Nope, it's not. Just something stupid down there. I got something. I got something. Nah. Oh yeah, you can reel it here. I don't know what it is. Might be a catfish. Reel him in. Catfish.
Oh, I hate you so much.
It's all right. Just lift him up. Lift him up. Flip him over this way. Flip him over this way.
Why is it so heavy?
He's fat.
Okay, fish is a fish, even though we're not here for that species.
Right?
That's the last thing I want to hear. What kind is so
Catfish. Mace, Mace, Mace. Get over here. Reel him in. Reel him in, bro. You gotta fight him.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Now you know.
God.
Now you know how it feels. Get him in, boy. You get him. It's okay. Just focus what you're doing. Focus on what you're doing.
Get the net.
Yeah. Oh, it's a cat. Dang it.
And he's on beat too.
Real Mace. Hold on. We'll figure it out.
Oh, I think he's on my hook.
I don't know. Hold on. Catfish. Good morning, guys. How you doing? We're gonna do some striper fishing this morning. Got up bright and early. Sun just coming up now, even though it's kind of bright, but that moon's the reason why it's so bright. So hopefully that big moon will also mean that we're gonna get some good stripers. Got some boats running up and down the river right now, and we got some herring that we caught from here, so we're gonna use it here. We got more in that bag there. I'm gonna chunk these 2 poles up. Might throw a whole one on one and a chunk on one. We'll see how that works out, but stay tuned, guys. Hopefully we get a big one. Oh. We've got something here. Got one. We've got one, boys and girls. I don't know if he's in my other line. That's a good one too. That's a good one. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna need my net. Gonna need my net. Please don't break off. He's in my other line. He's in my other line. All right, got the other one out. It's a big one. Wow, it's a monster right here. Wow, it's a big fish, guys. Come on, gotta get this mama in a net. Hold on, come on, big girl, get over here. That's a cow, guys. Got her in the net. Oh my God. Holy cow. This is a beast. Whew. This is a beast. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I freaking got one. Oh my God. Oh, I can't even believe this. What the freak? All right, still recording. Wow, I don't even know if I can get out of this net. Barely hooked. Got her. All right, guys. Oh my God. Guys, the size of this fish. Oh, look at the size of this fish, guys. Holy cow. What? She's a freaking tank. The size of it. That's huge. That's a monster. Wow. I can't believe the size of this fish. This is a monster. The size of that thing. Huge. Oh my God. Let's get her back in the water. Oh, wow. I can't believe the size of this fish. This is a monster. We're gonna get a weight. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get a weight. So I don't think this thing's even gonna hook onto her. There it is, 28.6. Whew. 28.6, guys. 28.6. And try to get a little length on her here. She is 43 inches. 43 inches, guys. All right, let's get her back. Wow. Yes, we freaking did it. 43 inches. Woo! Awesome.